Good morning. It's Saturday morning, January 13th, 2024, and it's time for your morning walk with me, Sophfronia. Today is our last day of residency here at the Alma College, MFA in Creative Writing, our winter residency, our first international residency. And it's been so exciting. And our degree ceremony is today, and I'm walking here thinking about what I want to say in the wrap-up. Oh, and by the way, I should say I'm walking in the courtyard of our hotel, the beautiful Hotel Villa Franceschi here in Mira. And I say that because this courtyard kind of epitomizes the thing that I'm thinking about, which is that somebody said to me this week that magic has happened here, magic. And on the one hand, that's an amazing thing, because as we learn from Harry Potter, right, the most powerful wizards are able to summon from within them. The magic comes from within. So I'm excited that our students are experiencing something that they get to take in. But there's also, I know there can be, whenever we have a big experience, this tremendous pressure that we put on ourselves to make something of it, that we have to do something with it right away so we don't waste it. And the message I want to send about that is that sometimes the best thing that you make of it won't come right away. That experience has to come into you and be integrated within you. And that's not something that you can rush. It's just going to happen. It'll marinate, and at some point it's going to rise within you, and you're going to realize, this is what that experience meant to me. Or maybe you'll be writing something and you want to describe what something felt like, and or write what a character is feeling, and suddenly you'll think she'll feel the way that she did when she saw the sunset in the lagoon near Murano. And you know exactly what that feels like because you were there, and you're going to be able to use that, right? Or going the other way, you're going to recognize this is the grief. I've had a tremendous loss, and now the grief is coming up within me. And what will you make of it from there? Right? So, give yourself time to bring magic into your life, however it comes your way in 2024. But then also give yourself grace to figure out what you're going to do with it. And maybe it's not going to be an active willing, as we discussed last week. It'll something that will find its way within you. So I'm going to keep walking. It's absolutely beautiful here. I'll be home in a few days, and curious to see what comes up for me after this trip is over. Take care. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.